2/1 RPC is a cable stitch that is worked over 3 stitches. Instead of working the stitches in order like stitch 1, stitch 2, stitch 3, we're going to work on stitches 2 and 3 first, and then go back and work on stitch 1. I will show you 2 ways to do it. The first way with a cable needle, and if you don't have a cable needle, you can use a spare DPN or double pointed needle or whatever else you can find to temporarily hold the first stitch to the back of the work. And that way we can gain access to stitches 2 and 3, and we're going to knit them. That's 2, and that's stitch number 3. And now we can go back to the stitch that was on hold and purl that stitch. You can do it directly off of the cable needle, or you can return it to your left-hand needle and then purl it off, whatever is easier for you. So that's a 2/1 RPC. Now let me show you another way without the use of a cable needle or DPN. What we need to do is the same. Work on stitches 2 and 3 first, and then go back and purl the first stitch. To do so, I'm going to insert the tip of my right needle into the second stitch and the second stitch only. So be careful not to do a knit 2 together. So that's the second stitch knitted. And I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm going to go into stitch number 3 and knit that. Oop, it got popped off. Wrap it around and then pop it through. And now, so this is what I made, stitch 2 and stitch 3. And now I got to go back to work on the first stitch here. Because I need to purl it, I am swinging my working yarn to the front, and now I can purl it. Ooh, wait, hold on, this way. And that's purling it. So that is a 2/1 RPC without the use of a cable needle.